Hello everyone and welcome to section 2 where we're going to be talking about Creative Cloud. So in this section we're going to be covering a variety of information, and you can see here on the screen that we're going to be talking about plans. So we have individuals, business, students and teachers, and schools and universities. So we're going to be covering that. Then we're going to be talking about account. So how to set up an account with Adobe and get a 7-day free trial, which you can see I've already set up here. So I'm going to walk you through step by step and show you exactly how I did this so you can get access to it as well. We're also going to talk about this screen right here that you can see, which is the Adobe Creative Cloud web application. So this is the web version of Creative Cloud. The other thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how to download and install Creative Cloud desktop application as well. So you'll learn a wide range of information in this section. So buckle up, get excited. It's going to be a lot of fun, and get ready for the next video. Take care.